Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this echo text effect on CapCut PC. So go to text and add in your default text. Type in anything you want. I'm just going to type in the word purple. I'm also going to change the font here. I think I might change it to like a bolder font than this. Let's see. Which one should I use? I'm just going to use this one. Then you're going to select this preset style. And you're going to the thickness, and I'm just going to make it thinner like this. Right click, create compound clip. Go to blend mode and select screen and just copy and paste it a few times, placing it either to the left side or the right side, or just like down or up. It's totally up to you how you want to place these. And yeah, that is basically it. You can also create this like animation. So I'm just going to place them in their like original position first. Actually, I'm just going to leave them like this. And like in the middle here, I'm going to add in a keyframe for the both of them. And then at the beginning, I'm going to select, like double click the position so that it's there, and then it moves when the keyframe, when it hits the keyframe, I mean. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!